Okay.
Yes, sir.
I bring all the greetings and wishes to Dr. Arul Kumar for getting topmost rank in NEET SS 2020, super specialty of MCH, surgical oncology, rank number 4.
Yeah,
Best
thank you,
wishes to
thank you.
you and greetings to you.
Thank you very much, sir.
So, can I know from Dr. Arul Kumar where you did your medicine from, where did you do your MS from, and why you want to do surgical oncology?
Actually, I did my UG from Vellore Medical College, Government Vellore Medical College, sir. After that, I sat for some 2 years for my PG preparation and got into MMC. And then again, just for first year, I was, after MS, I decided that I have to go for oncology. I have some craze towards oncology due to Bose sir or something, maybe assisting with Bose sir. So for the first year, we thought that pattern will be of general surgery. So I started preparing only Bayesian, but suddenly changed the pattern in the 2018, that's 40-60. So I got frustrated and left the preparation the midway. And then by 2019, I have to prepare. I started to prepare fully and then started, at the time, there is no Davita, it's not available, sir. Recently, it's not available while I starting my preparation. So I started with the NCCN mainly. So it has the latest guidelines, all things will be there. So the basic will be there from the NCCN. So I stick on to NCCN for most of the time and just revised once only. I didn't revise much. So I got only 180 rank. So even though I got DNB, I didn't opt for the DNB. So I sat for one more year. I just think I have to go for MCH at top institute. So prepare for another year. Luckily, for the past 1 year, I have very good ranks in almost okay rank in the AIMS and JIPMER. I got selected both the AIMS at the first stage, but not selected at the second stage. JIPMER got 6th rank, and I finally got a rank in NEETs.
Now, tell me your MBBS days to your
Okay,
MS days.
okay, sir.
You can start from this so that we'll be able to understand.
From I did my from 14 to 17. I passed out by 17. Uh, during my after my MBBS itself, I decided I have to go for oncology because post MBBS I have worked in Apollo for 6 months in oncology department. So I had a mind go for oncology, but I slightly towards interested towards the surgical side. So I choose the surgical oncology before MS itself. But after passing during my MS period, I didn't go for any preparation at all. In the MMC days, we also know, I think, sir, it will be very hectic and busy. You will not get any.
What was the period? What was the period of MS? Which year to which year did you MS in MMC?
14 to 70. So you were there in CTVS at the time. So after my MS, like as I said, I have to go for the general preparation. By 2070, it was the general paper fully. So I started
Okay.
studying Bayesian at this time. But
Okay.
unfortunately, they changed the pattern to 40-60, sir. So I got frustrated and leave the topics
Yeah.
and got into some of the MRCS preparations and some of the works with the, because I had married and I have a baby, I have to earn for my family. So I midway I have stopped the preparation and then restart again for the 2019 6 months before. I started with the NCCN because we don't have a Davita at the time. Davita was it was last edition was at the time was 2012 edition. So it was old edition, so I gone for the NCCN, prepared with the NCCN. Later on we added with the David also. But 2019, I just gone only once the revision. I didn't gone much into the revision. My study was basically on to the basis of NCCN only. So when basic need was very simple. I can't able to silly mistakes. Some 3 or 4 silly mistakes I lost by rank. I got only 180 ranks. So missed by 3 questions, maximum by 3 questions. So from that onwards, I got selected into 2 AIMS and a JIPMER also, but not in up to the mark. I got for both the AIMS, I got in the stage 1, but got rejected in the stage 2. JIPMER, I got only 6th rank, sir, out of 2 seats only available. So I continue. I just believe in my process. That's everything. It's going fine, but it's a matter of time to get that wrong question, 3 or 4 wrong question into right one. That happens finally in the NEET, I think. That's what the difference makes. Just
Okay.
eliminating the minimal easy question to get it right.
Now, how did you utilize or see the videos in the app? When did you subscribe the app? When did you join Speed? I mean, can you share
Actually, I
some
joined
experience?
Speed in 2019 Speed I joined, sir. First during my 180th rank, that year face-to-face interactions. And then that videos, we have 1 year of subscription period. That speed of MCS subscription. As I said, after that 180 rank, I got frustrated. I left off. Just before, at the end of 2019, I just take off the videos and take out these important points. I just sideways note down the important points. What are they have covered data, I think, sir, fully. So I got the video, got the important points from the videos and take it off into the separate notes, whichever is difficult for me, whichever is not familiar for me. So that is into a separate note. That forms the core of preparation also. That helped me a lot for correcting my mistakes.
Did you solve the MCQs?
Yeah, I solved many MCQs. That was the one major mistake I did in the last year, which was corrected in this year. I solved as much as MCQs I can. Whatever the material I got, I solved as much as MCQs. Sir.
Did you solve all the topic-wise questions and five mock tests given in the app?
Mock test, I solved the questions, sir, but mock test I didn't do, I think, because of lack of time, I didn't do the mock test, but I solved the questions, I think.
Okay. Now, what did you do for general surgery?
General surgery, only Bailey, and then that whatever the books are available for the PG preparation books, that important repeat questions, whatever for the past two, I have appeared for 17, 18, 19 and 24 years of MCA general. What for I have reviewed is general surgery is mostly of repeated questions. 95% will be of repeated PG questions and PG topics only. So it's not very aggressively, you don't want to go for the subs and swords, interior, everything. Just know about the repeated question and relevant topics, tables from the Bailey.
Did you go through,
and at the last
through the Bailey
2020, they have only 20 questions of general.
Yes, because you had 20 questions from Bailey, 20 questions from ENT, Ortho,
yes, sir.
and Obs-Gynae.
OG.
Correct?
Yes,
OG.
sir. It was changed just 20 days before.
20 days before this.
Just whatever I can read for the general surgery, that is enough. We can't do nothing much in that general 40 questions. It's of this time it was pure of some luck we have to have, because you have to remember that past about 6 years before the PG question, you have to remember and apply somewhat related to the questions. So this year it was, and the general surgery part will not be played a much part, but in the coming years it will be a big role. It has a big role to play, I think, sir.
Okay. Now, where are you planning to join?
Obviously,
where are you planning to join?
Tata Memorial. Tata Memorial.
So great. Yeah, excellent. And Tata Memorial is such a premier institute, and definitely you will have a great training there. And we wish you all the best and all the success in the career of surgical oncology. Dr. Arul Kumar is a great surgical oncologist in years to come, and I wish you all the best and all the success to have a great career in your specialty.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
And my wishes to you and to your family and all your friends and relatives. Yes, have a great year.